Class 4th Standard, Subject EVS, Topic Air, Water and Weather. Who caused this change in the weather? Surely not the weatherman. It's the sun which causes changes in the weather. The heat of the sun affects the movement of air and changes the form of water, which bring about a change in the weather. What is weather? Weather is a condition of the atmosphere surrounding us at a particular time in terms of temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind and moisture. The weather can be hot, cold, dry and windy. The sun causes changes in weather. The weather changes from season to season. The sun causes changes in temperature, changes winds to blow and changes in the states of water. Air is around us. The sun is a major contributor to the world's weather. The sun's heat warms the earth's land and water surfaces. The earth absorbs the heat and releases it into the atmosphere, which heats the air above and causes moving air. The movement of air causes winds which lead to weather changes. Now we learn about air currents. We need to know how hot and cold air move. Now I do the experiment. So dear students, please listen. Why does a flame always point upward? A candle flame heats the air surrounding it. Hot air, being less dense or lighter, rises to take its place surrounding heavier or dense. Cold air rushes in. It also in turn gets heated and rises. The continuous cycle of hot air rising, cold air rushing in, getting heated causes a swirling effect, thus making the flame always point upward. Next topic is land breeze and sea breeze. During the day, land gets heated quickly, but the sea does not. The air above the land gets warmer and rises up. Cool air over the sea rushes in to take its place. Thus, a cool sea breeze blows towards the land during the day. This type of breeze is called sea breeze. Next topic is land breeze. At night, the land cools down faster than the sea. So, the sea is warmer than the land. The cooler air over the land blows toward the sea to take its place. Thus, a cool land breeze blows towards the sea during the night time. This type of breeze is called land breeze. What is the difference between land breeze and sea breeze? During the daytime, cool breeze is moving towards the land. It is called sea breeze. Next, during at night, cool breeze is moving towards the sea is called land breeze. Next topic is water. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Water is not found only in rivers, seas, and oceans, but it also found underground. Water changes its form on heating and cooling. Most of our body weight is made up of water. Brain has 75% of water. Then blood 83% of water, heart 79% of water, bones 22% of water, muscles 75% of water, liver 85% of water, and kidneys 83% of water. Dear children, next topic is evaporation. The sun slowly heats the water on the surface of the earth to change it into water vapor. The process of changing of water into water vapor due to heating is called evaporation. Evaporation of water takes place at a faster rate. Water vapor goes up in the atmosphere and forms clouds. These clouds fall on the earth as rain. Water vapor also forms dew, frost, fog, and snow. Next topic is condensation. When water vapor cools down, it changes into drops of water. This is called condensation. However, in nature, we see water in the form of fog, dew, frost, hail, and snow as well. Fog occurs when thick clouds of tiny drops of water form just above land or water. Next, when the water vapor in the air condenses and appears as droplets on the ground and other surfaces, it is called dew. We often see dewdrops early in the morning on leaves, flowers, and standing vehicles. When it is very cold, the dew or surface water freezes into tiny white crystals. This is called frost. When raindrops pass through a very cold region of the atmosphere, they freeze and become hail. When water vapor is suddenly cooled, it freezes into tiny white snowflakes. Next topic is impurities of water. First one is insoluble impurities. Second one is soluble impurities. The first experiment is purification of water. To separate insoluble impurities, let water stand for some time. Impurities that are heavier than water will settle at the bottom of the water, leaving it clear. This is called sedimentation. Now, slowly pour out this clear water into another vessel. This is called decondenation. Another process of purification is filtration. At home, while pouring tea, you filter it through a strainer. You would also use a clean piece of cloth. In school laboratories, students use filter paper to remove insoluble impurities from liquid. So, we must purify the water to make it safe for drinking. Though we can obtain clean water by first one is chlorination, second one is bleaching powder also kills germs in water. Next one method is boiling method. Water changes its form and moves in a cycle in nature. Water that falls as rain and the water that we throw away goes down into the ground. It seeps through the different layers of the soil, like the topsoil, the subsoil, and porous rocks. It finally settles below the porous rocks as it cannot pass through the non porous rock. So, there is a large storage of underground water. We draw out this underground water from tube wells and wells. Places that are dry have less underground water. The level of underground water in an area is called the water table. Water is a precious natural resource. We should use it carefully. We should not waste water. Save water, save earth. Thank you.